Hey Tiger Nation, my name is Amanda Okoli and I am a student worker with the Office of Information Technology here at Texas Southern University. In this brief video, I'm going to show you how to log in and set up your security registration. It's really important that you follow this video before trying to reset your password. A lot of times if you try to reset your password without setting up your security questions, you'll either get locked out or something will go wrong and you won't be able to. A lot of times, I know in my experience, it's happened right before I need to turn in an assignment or right before I need to get in for registration. So stay tuned, and as always, if you need any help, we're here for you. Reset self-service tool. In order to use this tool, you must have registered your security questions with a working TSU network login. If you have forgotten your password or your account is currently locked, contact the IT service desk at 713-313-4357 and request a password reset. Once you have a working TSU network login, you will need to register your security questions. First, select the browser of your choice and go to the following address: oit.tsu.edu. Once that page loads, you will scroll to the center of the page and select Reset Your Password. On that page, you will select the block that says Security Registration and hit Go to Sign In. Here, you will enter your TSU email address and password. When that page loads, you will then enter and register your security questions and answers and hit Update or Enroll. Your registration has successfully enrolled. Thank you for taking the time to review this brief video. I hope it was informative and helpful towards your success here at Texas Southern University. As always, if you need any help, feel free to contact the IT Service Center at 713-313-4357. Go Tigers!